Hey everyone, I'm Andrea from Aromahead Institute, and if you are stressed out, believe me, you're watching the right video, because this is an inhaler recipe that I'm going to teach you that is so good at reducing stress, okay? And I think you're going to love it. It's just got 2 essential oils in it, 8 drops of each. We've got 8 drops of orange and 8 drops of bergamot mint. And oh, if you haven't used bergamot mint before, it is a mint, but it has this bergamot orange aroma along with the mint. So it's a beautiful blend of both, which is why orange works so well with it from an aromatic standpoint. And then in terms of stress, they're both really calming. Oh, look, it's Joey. Hi, are you stressed? Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the inhaler, and I can't wait for you to smell it. So we've got a purple, beautiful purple inhaler for stress relief. And this is the top and the inhaler part. And then I've got a beautiful little white wick. It's cotton and organic. And it just drops right in there. And then we go ahead and put the 8 drops of each oil right in. So easy and incredibly effective. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. And now we're going to do the bergamot mint. And this is so nice because if you are feeling stressed during the day, let's say you're out working or just out and about, you can keep this with you and use it anytime you like. And that's really, really nice because aroma is so effective for reducing stress, especially aromas you love. Okay, so 8 drops here. Okay, perfect, great. Now, it's simple. All you do is put the cap on and make sure it snaps into place and you are set. I smell mint, I smell orange, I smell bergamot, and it's both uplifting and centering all at the same time. Now, I know orange is a really common oil, but there's so much to it. And I just created this class called an Orange Spotlight, and I'm going to put the link below the video for you if you're interested in learning a lot more about orange essential oil and 6 other oils that blend really well with it, and a handful of great recipes, plus a little essential oil chemistry. That's going to be a very fun class for you. So check it out, and I hope you don't feel stressed at all, but if you do, I know that this inhaler will really help. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.